Hi friends, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I would really like to talk to you today about Mitolyn, which is a dietary supplement designed to enhance your mitochondrial functioning. It's going to target many parts of your body and bring numerous benefits towards weight loss. If you're struggling and not proud of the body you're in right now, maybe looking at yourself in the mirror and not liking what you see or not being able to fit into the clothes you love, I understand how upsetting that can feel. I'm pretty sure that Mitolyn can help you a lot. This weight loss supplement features a unique purple peel extract packed with herbal extracts, fruits, and veggies. Let me share all the details about Mitolyn today, so stay with me for a few minutes. Before I dive in, I want to mention that I'll leave Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box of this video. If you'd like to learn more about it or purchase it, that's where you need to go. Now, as I was saying, this supplement enhances mitochondrial function, improves energy, boosts metabolism, and offers anti-aging benefits. If you enjoy taking care of your skin, you're going to love Mitolyn. Its formulation centers around the purple peel extract, leveraging the antioxidant-rich maqui berry alongside 6 other key natural ingredients. Maqui berry is high in antioxidants, supports cellular health, and reduces oxidative stress. It also includes rhodiola, an adaptogen that boosts endurance, focus, and stress resilience. Additionally, it contains ananine, which offers anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Other ingredients include amla, Indian gooseberry, theobroma cacao, and schisandra, which enhance mental clarity, liver health, and reduce fatigue. Mitolyn's effectiveness stems from its focus on enhancing mitochondrial function, which is vital for cellular energy production and metabolism. By targeting multiple aspects of health, Mitolyn creates an optimal internal environment for weight management and overall vitality. Mitolyn also helps reduce cravings for sweets and junk food, aiding weight loss and improving overall health. For the best results, consider using Mitolyn for 3 to 6 months. If you don't achieve your desired results, you can request a refund. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you out. See you next time. Bye!